Hi everyone, how are you? So in today's video we will basically, I just read one question someone has posted on some forum, okay, 1 minus b percent out of 1a, how you calculate it. Basically to better simplify, I think that is something it is 1000 minus k 2.8 percentage of 1000, how we do that calculation. So I just thought, okay, let's create a one video and see how we will do that. So this is, so let's dive in. So first we are going to put a input, that is A and also this type here. I just change the input A, input B, and now we will put a one button, name it calculate. Calculate now. And one is out, one is that is the result. Our result will be just I will remove the, that is make it bold, make it 800, yeah, it is 24. I think that's it. Okay, so now we, when user click on calculate now, button is clicked, calculate now, and we will make a calculation. We will go. Okay, so all this, what I personally do, what I like to personally do all the calculation and store its value in a variable. So there is no direct way of storing a value. Basically you need to create a thing and data things and all. So for example, for that, even you have to delete all this data. So what I do, I just delete a list of things. I don't know better way of doing it. For example, I want to store the result into result field, list of date, do search for, and result close. So it will delete all the result database first, and then now we will create a new thing. Then we search for the result, we search for the ID. What we have to do, please try to understand it. Input A, value, minus our input V, value. uh, that is a pretty issue. It should be like that, and why is showing that now? Here, so now we will input okay, input V value. Now we have to multiply with the convert to number. Yeah, now multiply with the input A value. Now divided by 100 because we have to calculate the percentage. Hopefully everything is. Now put this. For example, 128. It should be. They happen. Oh, we have not assigned the value now. But we should input dynamic. Do search for result. First item, data ID. Now this 1000 is 3.8. Calculate now. 9962. Yeah. So we have 1000 of A, V percentage of A. So what is 3.8 percentage of 1000 is 338, and we have minus the 38 from the 1000. So it's 996. Hopefully you will understand it. If you have any question, if you now analyze the value, input A values minus input B values, and we have converted to number. If it is what the neural converted now, basically we have it is treating as the input values as a string. not a number. So we are forcefully converted to number, then multiply with the input a values, whatever the you enter the value and divide by the 100. But I want to see one more thing. If we do something 0 minus 10 percentage of this, it will give my 0. Rating is 0. If we put empty, I will not check anything. It's only given error. It is not giving me an error. It is just showing it 0. I think it automatically converted. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any question, just let me know.